The coronavirus vaccine is likely still months away for most Americans, while the UK has already approved the Pfizer-BioNTech formula. Charlie D'Agata is in the English city of Oxford with the latest developments.
The Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine may be the first off the blocks in Britain, but there are several hurdles ahead.
There are immense logistical challenges. Each person needs 2 injections 3 weeks apart, so it will inevitably take some months before all the most vulnerable are protected.
The vaccine itself needs protection too, stored at -95 degrees, demanding an ultra-cold supply system, all the way from Belgium to the UK, to planes and trucks, to designated hospital hubs across the country. Then repeat the entire process for the second shot. Critics say the complexity of such an operation puts Pfizer well out of reach of poorer countries. Supply is key.
There's about 8 billion people in the world, and if we need 2 doses up front, that's 16 billion doses. And I think it's inevitable that the richer countries will get there quicker. This is a pandemic of inequalities.
Then there's the inequality of price. Pfizer costs around $40 per person. In comparison, the Oxford vaccine, only around $6. And the Oxford vaccine doesn't require a deep freeze, which may make it a stronger global candidate. However, there are questions about the effectiveness of the Oxford vaccine. We're expecting a peer-reviewed report at any time. That vaccine is also currently being reviewed by regulators for emergency use. Charlie D'Agata, CBS News, Oxford, England.
And there's more coronavirus vaccine news. Moderna has announced it will begin testing its coronavirus vaccine on adolescents. The company plans to enroll 3,000 children between 12 and 17. Half of them will receive 2 doses of the vaccine 1 month apart. The other half will get a placebo. Pfizer began testing their COVID vaccine on teens earlier this fall. Moderna will open adolescent testing sites in 6 states, including Minnesota. A new study reveals the pandemic is taking a mental toll on healthcare workers. Researchers from Hartford Hospital polled nearly 1,700 doctors, nurses, and other medical personnel. Nearly half reported at least one serious psychiatric symptom. 33% had intense anxiety, 17% had moderate to severe depression, 14% reported thinking about suicide. Pediatric healthcare workers had the highest rates of anxiety.